Hi, my name is Dan Gooday. We're here at NAMM 2025 with the wonderful people from Bass Gear magazine who've taken their time out of their busy schedule to come visit us at this year's show. We've got some really exciting products. I'm here with the wonderful Pete Griffin, bass player extraordinaire and a wonderful Ashdown advocate. Pete's been using our gear since around 2002, 3, so yeah, over 20 years, which all of a sudden makes me feel quite old. Yeah, it's nice to be able to come to a NAMM show and enjoy kind of the company of everyone. And we've been talking a lot about how this year's felt energized. There's a good vibe. People want to be here. And I think moving forward, I'm looking forward to next year now. And it's a weird thing, it being a 3-day show this year. But moving forward, I don't know whether or not it's the right thing or not. Time will tell. But more importantly, onto the product. I'm here to talk to you about the Ashdown Rootmaster EVO 3, the latest evolution of our Rootmaster series, a Class D digital bass amplifier, but with some beautiful analog features, including a wonderful 5-band EQ, built-in compression, built-in valve-emulated overdrive, as well as a sub-harmonic generator, which generates an octave lower to what you're playing. And one of the really cool, useful features and new additions to the EVO 3 line is the new analog cab sim DI output. Again, a feature that's handy and tailored for touring musicians. It needed to work and be simple, not something you have to update via your phone or an app. Just literally 3 very cool options with a 4th of a simple balanced DI output. You have ported or sealed, 10 or 15 inch, and you have the option of your horn in and out, which sits around the 5K mark to give you that sizzle and string noise that you might need on your DI. And the cool thing about that is you're able to then tailor your monitor mix a push of a button in front of you. So the 10 might be sitting a little bit too tight or mid-rangey. The 15 opens it up. Ported or sealed, either having that big, deep sound of a ported cabinet or the tighter efficiency of a sealed cabinet. It works fantastically, and it's a very simple thing. So without further more, I'd like Pete to have a little bit of a strum to see what it sounds like straight up. At the moment, there's nothing engaged. So thank you. The cabinets themselves as well, part of the new Rootmaster EVO 3 line. We have a 2x10 and a 115 made out of poplar plywood to ensure the weight is kept down, but braced to ensure the cabinet stays together. Obviously, with low frequencies, you're resonating a box at sort of 100 hertz. It needs to stay together. And one of the great things about these cabinets and these amps is how light they are. This thing weighs about 2 pounds, and the cabinets aren't far off it. We're very proud of this new range of products available through our wonderful friends at Sweetwater and other good retailers across the US and further afield. And as I know, your audience reaches further than just America. So thank you for coming by. There's another really cool new product that we've got at the show, which is our new original EVO Series. So taking a little bit of where this started from with the 500 watts, we wanted to create something that was simple and easy to plug in and play. So taking the 5-band EQ from this and literally shoving no more than the EQ into a simple 300-watt digital bass amp. Again, the cabinets in the EVO 3 line are fantastic. This little one is a little 1x10. And honestly, it's one of the cutest little cabinets we make and one of the most deceptive little cabinets we make. Here, this is what it sounds like. Thank you. It sounds great. And again, the whole idea with the original series was keeping things simple. It was originally the origin of tone, but didn't work as a word. So original worked quite well. Origin Ashdown Labs is where it actually came from. And for us, it was just wanting to do something simple. And many bass players have incredible pedal boards with some serious investment made on that real estate. So with this, it's a great pedal platform. It's, again, very lightweight, very practical, powerful. Effects loop on the front, simple DI output. You've got a headphone output on board as well for silent practice, as with the original EVO 3. And yeah, it's a great tool for working bass players. It's not a toy, it's a tool for the road. And yeah, thank you very much for stopping by at NAMM 2025. Please check out ashdownmusic.com. And thank you very much, Bass Gear Magazine.